Fry's third 100 words. Hi, every, near, add, food, between, own, below, country, plants, last, school, father, hip, trees, never, started, city, earth, eyes, light, thought, head, under, story, saw, left, don't, few, while, along, might, close, something, seemed, next, hard, open, example, beginning, life, always, those, both, paper, together, got, group, often, run, important, until, children, side, feet, car, miles, night, walked, white, see, began, grow, took, river, for, carry, state, once, book, here, stop, without, second, later, miss, idea, enough, eat, face, watch, far, Indians, really, almost, let, above, girl, sometimes, mountains, cut, young, talk, soon, list, song, being, live, family, its,